8 minus 3, which gives us 5, and 8 minus 3 times 5. Then 8 minus 3 here also, which equals 5. 5 times 5, which equals to 25. But this is not the correct answer, because according to the order of operation PEMDAS, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority, work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression there is one subtraction, one parenthesis, and one multiplication here. Okay, so first we have to do this parenthesis, and next this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. But if we subtract first, if we do this subtraction before this parenthesis or this multiplication, it is wrong. Therefore, according to PEMDAS, first we have to do parentheses. Okay, 8 minus 3, which equals 5. Then 8 minus 3 times 5. Here there is subtraction and multiplication. According to PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction because multiplication comes before subtraction. Therefore, we have to multiply these numbers. 3 times 5, which gives us 15. Then 8 minus 15, which equals to negative 7. This is the correct answer. Therefore, the correct answer is negative 7.